Hello students, I am your physical education teacher Mrs. Jaldeep. We are doing chapter number 7. The name of chapter is muscular system. Today we will do benefits of exercise on the muscular system. Means if we will perform the regular exercise, then what effect will be there on the muscular system. First effect is increased strength. By the exercise, our muscular strength will be increased, muscle mass will be increased, which is beneficial for improving strength. If our muscular strength will be improved, then definitely performance of sports will be also improved. Then improve endurance. Regular exercise are beneficial for improving endurance also. If regular exercise are performed for longer duration, then they improve our cardiovascular function, which result is improved endurance. Means if our cardiovascular function will be improved, then definitely our endurance will be also improved. Better neuromuscular coordination. Neuromuscular coordination means nervous system and muscular system coordination. If neuromuscular coordination will be enhanced, then our muscles contract and relax more quickly and efficiently. Then improves posture. If we will perform a regular exercise, our posture will be also improved. If postural deformity is there, that deformity will be also corrected by the exercises. Postural deformity means physical defect. Kyphosis, lordosis, flat foot, all these are postural deformity. Means if we will perform regular exercises, no postural deformity will be there in our body. If postural deformity is there, then we can correct that postural deformity up to some extent by the exercises only. Then improves flexibility. Regular exercise will improve our flexibility also. What is a flexibility? It is a range of movement of joints, and that will be also improved if we will perform regular exercises. Decrease chances of injuries. Regular exercises decrease the chances of injuries also. Means in fact, regular exercise improve the flexibility of an individual, which helps in decreasing the chances of injuries. If our flexibility will be improved, then definitely we can prevent from injuries also. Muscles also remain in toned position due to regular exercises. That's why the chances of getting injuries are reduced. Controls extra body fat. Regular exercise control the extra fat or body weight, which is ultimately helpful in preventing diseases. Which diseases? Heart diseases, diabetes, etc. If we will perform regular exercise, our body weight will be decreased, then ultimately we can prevent from the diseases also. Exercises burn the extra calories, which is helpful in controlling the extra body weight. Then last is delays fatigue. What is a fatigue? Fatigue is the tiredness. So fatigue क्यों होती है? Fatigue is mainly due to the formation of carbon dioxide, lactic acid, acid phosphate. इन कारण से जो fatigue होती है. So if these waste product will not be disposed from our body, then we feel fatigue. So with the regular exercises, these waste products disposed from the body timely, then we don't feel fatigue. So that's all about the benefits of exercise on the muscular system. I hope you understood. this. Thank you. Have a nice day.